Alright, what's up? It's your boy Tilo Flex, part 2. I'm about to show y'all how to lay the drums down with the melody. So in part 1, we already discussed that this is the melody, this is the harmony coming in the subline and bass line for a chorus. Okay, so what we did for the drums right here, it's the same pattern. What we did was we just right click and press make unique. And that way we can, change up a pattern or two of the 808, the kick, or whatnot. Take out instruments. In this part, we took out the overheads and the 808. So it sounds like this as a pattern. Alright, so the kick is just simple. We don't really want to do too much with the kick. The hi-hats, they keep the track moving. I put like a third step down here, a fourth step, a roll into the clap. Pretty simple. Alright. And I layered the rim with the clap. And for the claps, I just did like a little triple. Alright, and another thing though, for the hi-hats, I put a little swing on it. You can't really notice it, but it's a little bit, and it makes it different in the master. So, alright, now with the 808s, this is what it sounds like. Alright, so what you just heard was the overheads, and these are my overheads right here. And I control my overheads by deselecting the attack, the sustain, all these knobs, and just increasing the hold. It doesn't have to be all the way up because the signal is not even that long for it to be all the way up. So something to keep in mind. And the 808s, my original signal, like this is at 46. This is my original 808. And if I play it in the pattern, I don't really want it to ride out that long, so we could try it at 58, fuck it. And it's simple, I'm just, right here on this button, if you go to helpers, we can obviously see the scale in minor, Nolian, other down here, these other ones are cool too. You can check those out. Alright, so what I go to, the lines, I snap to the line so it's like I don't fall into mistakes of just being a tiny bit off. Alright, so what I'm showing you guys right now is the fact that these 808s are aligned to the ghost channel. And the ghost channel is under helpers, and all you have to do is click enable ghost channel. Alright, so G, You can see the ghost channels right now. So that's how I did it. I put this together, and this is what we have. Oh, another thing is too, right here. If you notice how it jumps from the 808 to the bass line without any clash, it's because on the cut itself channel it's 5x5, and on the 808 cut itself channel it is, excuse me for, yeah, on the 808 cut itself channel it's 5x5 as well. So if you have it on the same cut itself channel, it'll stop when the other one plays. Alright folks, and there you have it. It's your boy Tilo Flex. I just taught y'all how to put the drums on the melody. Stay tuned for the next tutorial. I'm going to teach you guys how to mix. And following after that, we'll complete the whole track with the master. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below. I'm out.